Today on Hughes Garage, I'm going to be replacing this old aftermarket third brake light on my F-150 with a new one that I got from this company. Let's check it out. All right, here we go. Got this cleaned up with some Meguiar's ceramic detailer. Try to keep it clean. It's going to look a lot better than that one. You're going to need a T20 star bit or screwdriver, however you got it, but you're going to need a T20. It's going to have to be a star bit. It's a little wiggly on there. There's probably a more specific size that I don't have, but it'll work because you don't really want to over tighten them to begin with. You're going to want to go around and clean this up before you put that new gasket on. And then you're going to have a plug back here. It's a little difficult to get to, but it'll pull right out after your first time. It's going to be hard. I just leave it hanging in there. I don't really connect it back. And then you're going to disconnect it, and then you'll connect the new one. All right, guys, the sticky side of the gasket is going to go on the actual third brake light itself. When you plug it in, make sure the wire comes through the middle. And remember, do not over tighten or you could crack the lens. Night and day difference between the old one that I got this off eBay. It's a cheap knockoff, off-brand. I mean, the lights were okay on it, but just look at the quality of the lens over time. But this thing's brand new and it looks great. Also, guys, when you got those screws out, you could always, push them into some cardboard and spray paint them gloss black or something to match. It's probably something I wish I would have done, and I'll probably end up doing down the road. But anyways, quick and easy install for you. I'll have the link below for you to be able to get it if you'd like. And thanks for watching Hughes Garage.